现在这个视频仍然是一个答疑解难的系列，那就针对一些发音上的难点做一些专门的阐述。那今天的这个难点是 ph， 和上一个视频里面的gl 不同的之处在于，当 ph 这两个辅音组对的时候，它不再保持它原有的发音，而是生成了一个新的发音。比如说 ph 它不再发 p，不是，而是发了一个新的音，和原来的音没有什么关联，所以呀，只能靠死记硬背。那 ph 它就发。好，那我们来看一看这些句子，句子里面都包含有很多以 ph 开头的单词。来，我们先从第一个开始好吗？
Photo, Phoenix, Phonics。
那我们来一个一个句子读好吗？ Let's read the sentence.
还有 fold.
Oh yeah, a noise fold is F-O-L-D is not P-H-O-L-D, okay?
I fold my friend.
No. You know,
I
found.
found my friends, telling him I had taken a lot of photos about Phoenix. I phoned my friend, telling him I like phonics.
Very good. But pay attention right here. There's no S in the end of this word, so it should be pronounced as friend instead of friends.
But you said friend.
Friend. Maybe I made a mistake. Okay, go ahead.
I phoned my friend, telling him Philly was a great place to visit.
Very good. Philly. Do you know the meaning of Philly?
城市
It's a city's name. Philadelphia. 费城对吧？费城的口语上简称就是 Philly， 因为你要 pronounce the word, when you pronounce the word Philadelphia, do you feel it's kind of difficult?
Yes.
Can you pronounce the word Philadelphia?
Philadelphia.
So that's why we make it short and easy. Philly. Okay, the last one.
I phoned my friend, telling him I made a new friend named Pippi. Philip.
Very good, Philip. Okay, now 你现在已经记住了那个 ph 就发音，当然 f
我早就记住
F 它也发 F 的音，所以有时候你刚刚说的 fold 就是 F-L-O-O-L-D。那究竟当你听到一个单词它是发 fold 音，究竟应该写 F 还是写 ph 呢？那就需要我们具体问题、具体单词具体分析了。好了，that's all for today. See you next time.